Namaste, I am Dr Malhar Nesari, and today we are going to talk about apple cider vinegar and vinegars in general according to Ayurveda. Vinegar is known as Shukta in Sanskrit and Sirka in Hindi. It is a product which is the result of a acetic acid fermentation. Now, whenever you ferment something using yeast, let's say you ferment grape juice with yeast, you form alcohol known as wine. If you let it ferment further, it forms into acetic acid or vinegar. This is the method by which various types of vinegar is prepared using various starting ingredients. Apple cider vinegar is prepared from apple juice. In Unani medicine, this is known as Sirka e Seb. Now coming to the properties of Shukta or Sirka mentioned in Ayurveda, Acharya Vagbhat says Shukta is Ativa Ushna Tikshna. So it is very hot and sharp in potency. Because of this property, it increases the pitta dosh in the body, increases the heat in your body, and helps in digestion. Therefore, it is used in conditions like stomach acid deficiency, irritable bowel syndrome, etc. Shukta also has Sara guna. Sara means to move or glide forward. This helps relieve constipation, especially if you have hard or sticky stools. Therefore, any kind of vinegar can be used for constipation when it comes to hard stools or sticky stools, as long as you don't have pitta or acidity problems. Certain people may also suffer from acid reflux if there is a lack of stomach acid in their gut. If this is the case, these people may benefit from use of vinegar. I had made a video on gut types according to Ayurveda. In that video, I had mentioned a certain Krura Koshtha type which can benefit from the use of vinegar because there is a predominance of Vat dosh in their gut. And vinegar is an excellent Vat Kapha supplement. Vinegar causes Vatanulomana. Vatanulomana is the easy passage of gas through your gut. So if you suffer from bloating and excess gas, vinegar can be helpful. People who experience extreme heaviness in their stomach even after small meals can benefit from the use of apple cider vinegar or any vinegar because it helps in the digestion, and as I said, anuloman and saraguna helps the food pass through easily. Vinegar is also an excellent supplement for those who are suffering from classical cardiovascular disease and asthma. Vinegar helps clear out the mucus in your air channels and helps clear the metabolic wastes which lead to cardiovascular disease. Now let us see which people should not take vinegar as a supplement. Number one are people having bleeding disorders wherein their body has a hard time clotting their blood after an injury, because vinegar is said to be Rakta Pitta Kara. So it will increase the disease of Rakta Pitta, which is basically a bleeding disorder. Second is people who suffer from heartburn or stomach burn due to excess acid in their gut. These people will certainly suffer more if they use vinegar. Also, patients who suffer from gout arthritis will have an increase in complaints if they start using vinegar. Vinegar is said to be netra ahitakara, so it is not good for your eyes, but it can be used as anupana for certain medications. Anupana is the thing with which you take your Ayurvedic medicine. So certain medications which are helpful for your eyes can be taken with vinegar for better results. Also, if you suffer from the problem where you wake up with a lot of mucus and gunk in your eyes, vinegar can be helpful. Now let us see how to take vinegar and what is the dosage. An average person can take 1 teaspoon of vinegar as a starting dose and experiment around by increasing and decreasing the dose to find what suits them best. If you suffer from constipation and gas, it is best to take 1 teaspoon of vinegar with 1 cup of warm water before both meals. And if you suffer from indigestion and feel heavy after eating meals, and you have problems of kapha dosha or things like asthma and heart disease, it is better to take vinegar after both meals in a similar way, 1 teaspoon with 1 cup of warm water. If you found the contents of this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.